So today we have last part of the 100 ESG and sustainability interview questions and their answers. Today's lecture is comprised from section 17 to 20. Section 17 is scenario based questions. The first question is, what would you do if a contractor dumps waste illegally? The answer is investigate, stop the activity, report it, and enforce corrective actions. Then we have question, what if dust levels exceed limits? The answer is increase water sprinkling and enforce dust control measures. The next question is, what if workers refuse PPE? The answer is provide training and enforce safety policies. Then we have next question is, what if biodiversity is affected? The answer is by stop work and implement mitigation measures. The next question is, what if community complaints increase? Then answer could be engage stakeholder and resolve concerns through the GRM system. Then we have question section number 18 for strategic ESG questions. Question number 86 is, how does ESG improve project reputations? The answer is it builds trust with investors, regulators, and communities. The next question is, how does ESG reduce project risk? The answer is by preventing environmental damage and social conflicts. The next question is, how can technology improve sustainability? The answer is through AI monitoring, smart sensors, and data analytics. The next question is, what role does digitalization play in ESG? The answer is it improves data tracking and decision making. Then we have a last question of this part is, what are the future trends in sustainable constructions? The answer is net zero buildings, green hydrogens, green hydrogen, and smart cities. Then question number 19 is based on personal interview questions, that what do you want to work on Saudi mega projects? The answer is because they are global leaders in sustainable urban development. The question number 92 is, what sustainability experience do you have? The answer is explain projects where you implemented ESG practices. The next question is, how do you stay updated with ESG trends? The answer is through research, certifications, and industry reports. The next question is, what ESG tools have you used? The answer is examples like carbon calculators, environmental monitoring systems. Then the question is, how do you handle ESG challenges on site? Your answer will be through collaborations, monitoring, and corrective actions. Then we have last part, start from question number 96, which is final expert questions. The question is, what is ESG materiality? The answer is identifying the most important sustainability issues. Then what is sustainable urban development? The answer is building cities that balance environment, economy, and society. The question is, what role does innovation play in sustainability? The answer is it helps develop clean technologies and efficient infrastructures. The question number 99 is, what is the biggest ESG challenge in construction? The answer is high carbon emission and resource consumption. The last and 100th question is, what is your vision for sustainable construction? The answer is a future where buildings are carbon neutral, resource efficient, and socially responsible. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this series of 100 ESG and sustainability interviews and their answers. So, hope we will meet with another series or module, which will be uh, module number 31st. So, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to give me your feedback on these 100 ESG questions in the comment section. So, thanks for watching. Thanks.